wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best portable clothes dryers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the ferryone hanger is capable of blowing both warm and cold air and cuts down on drying times for delicates, sneakers and socks. Unfortunately, it can't hold multiple items, so it's not ideal for big jobs. It can help to prevent wrinkles, and the compact size is good for travel. However, it is pricey considering the functionality. At number 9, the cylindrical Pandeventless has a compact footprint and is easy to assemble and fold away for storage when you're done. It incorporates a 900-watt blower that'll plug into any 120-volt outlet. It's great for RVs or dorms and is a space-saving design, but it is for small loads only. Coming in at number 8 in our list, with vinyl lines and 3 aluminum arms, the Household Essentials rack provides 64 feet of drying space, which should be enough for even large families. It opens and closes in a single motion like an inverted umbrella and has a rust-free center pole for longevity. It's equipped with a sturdy tripod base and is easy to transport and store. However, it doesn't stand up well to high winds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for portable clothes dryers or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, compact enough to fit in a suitcase, the homz 3-tier features a mesh construction that allows for good airflow. It's got 2 plastic hooks to hang from a shower bar or clothes rod, and multiple racks can be linked together to increase your drying space. You have a choice of several colors and it's affordably priced, but loading it can be frustrating. Moving up our list to number 6. You can hang up to 33 pounds of wet laundry on the Manatee drying rack, which uses an electric blower to circulate hot air around and through items. Its capacitive LCD sets the temperature and drying time, while its economy mode will help you save energy. It folds for convenient storage and offers a remote-controlled operation. However, it's not ideal for long towels or jeans. Halfway up our list at number 5. Lightweight and compact, the laundry alternative Ninja has a 22-pound capacity. It utilizes a powerful motor and stainless steel drum to produce 3200 RPM, which removes most of the moisture from laundry in under 5 minutes. It's equipped with a 2-step safety lock and operates quietly, but it doesn't include a drain hose. At number 4, if you don't have a lot of room to spare, the Panda Compact Tumbler might be the answer. It holds up to 8.8 pounds per load and plugs into a standard 120-volt outlet. It can be wall-mounted to save floor space too. It weighs only 44 pounds and offers several temperature options. However, it does need to be vented. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. For a tried and true method, go old school with the Caliga Manual, which needs nothing but a turn of the crank arm and something to drain into. It presses items flat between its heavy-duty rollers, squeezing any water from the material. No electricity is required, and all the components are weather-resistant. It fits on a 5-gallon bucket. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for portable clothes dryers or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the Dryguy DX forces air into boots and shoes to help prevent odors and mildew. It's got enough posts to accommodate up to 4 items at a time, so it can take damp gloves and wet boots together. It heats up to 105 degrees Fahrenheit and comes with 2 removable extension tubes. It's not overly loud either. And taking the top spot on our list, the 25-inch tall Panda Spin is perfect for small homes, RVs and boats. Rotating at 3200 RPM, it uses centrifugal force and a gravity drain system to remove moisture from each load while being very gentle on your laundry. It's a strong stainless steel construction with a safety lock on the lid and protective rubber feet. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for portable clothes dryers or simply click beneath this video.